हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। मेरा नाम है शेखर और आप देख रहे हो गुरुजी वेब टेक वेब। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। तो आज का टॉपिक है लर्न एचटीएमएल यूजिंग नोटपैड और टेक्स्ट एडिट। वेब पेजेस कैन बी क्रिएटेड और मॉडिफाइड यूजिंग professional HTML editors. However, the learning HTML we recommended a simple text editor like Notepad in PC or TextEdit for Mac. We believe in that using a simple text editor is good way to learn HTML. Follow the steps below to create your first web page with Notepad or TextEdit. Step 1. Open Notepad from PC. How to open that? Follow the steps. If you installed Windows 8 or later, then open the start screen and type Notepad in that. If you Windows 7 or earlier, open start, go to the programs, go to the accessories, then go to the Notepad and open it. How to open the text edit for Mac OS? Open Finder, then go to the applications and click on the text edit. Write some HTML code over there. So let's see how to write the HTML code over there in Notepad. I'm coding through my mobile, that's why I'm using here AnWriter free app in APK, which is similar to the Notepad like in PC. So here are starting of the HTML tag using exclamatory doc type HTML, then opening of the HTML tag using bracket HTML. After the opening there should be closing tag for HTML, so slash HTML is given here. Inside HTML tag we have to open head tag. Inside head tag we are mentioning the title of the web page, so title tag is open. Close the title, give some title to a web page like my web page. So after head close we are giving the body tag here and closing the body tag also. So whatever we want to display on the web page we are going to write inside the body tag. So let's take example, we are going to take one header, that's why I'm using the h1 tag. H1 is used for heading, the bold heading, the most largest heading in HTML. It goes to h1, h2, h3, h2 up to h6. H6 is the lower, the smallest heading in HTML. We want the largest heading, that's why I'm using h1 tag here. So I'm writing the heading here, this is heading. Okay, so my heading tag is completed. After that I suppose I want to create some paragraph, so I'm using the p tag here for paragraph, and p tag need to close. So inside whatever we are writing it will go to the in format of paragraph only. So like this is a paragraph, so we'll make it as a paragraph. So and just copy and paste it as it is to make it as a paragraph, so it will look like paragraph on a web page. Okay, then body tag close and HTML tag close, that's it. This is the web page. First how to create the web page on the using the Notepad. So let's take the output. Say we save with a particular file using whatever the name you want to given, like my first web page dot html. The dot html, that means it is the extension of that file which is going to save on a HTML format. That means it is open on the your browser, whatever the default browser on your desktop or PC, it will open in that browser. For example, Internet Explorer or there, or you want to open it on Google Chrome, you can do that. So I'm just simply run the this file. So yeah, this the particular example is output shown here like this. This is heading. We have used the h1 tag here, and this is paragraph. We have used a p tag over here. So using this kind of tags we can design our basic web pages. That's it for today. We'll learn next topic in next video. If you're first time on our channel and not yet subscribed to our channel, then go to the subscribe and click on subscribe to for our latest videos. Thank you.